If you want to make your edits feel more energetic, more dramatic, and way more cinematic, then adding a camera shake effect in CapCut is one of the easiest tricks you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a camera shake effect in CapCut step by step, so you can apply it to your clips quickly and make your videos stand out. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start by opening your project. If you haven't already, import the video you want to edit and place it into the timeline. This is important because the shake effect needs to be applied directly to your clip inside the editing workspace. Once your video is in the timeline, click on it so CapCut knows which clip you want to work with. Now that your project is open, look at the top menu and find the Effects tab. Click on Effects and then choose Video Effects. This is where CapCut keeps its motion and visual effects, including shake-style effects that can add movement and impact to your footage. If you're trying to create a more intense scene, emphasize action, or just give your content a more dynamic feel, this is the place to start. Next, use the search bar inside the Effects section and type Camera Shake. CapCut should show you different shake-style effects that you can use. Depending on your version, the effect may appear with slightly different names or variations, but the process stays the same. Once you see the camera shake effect you want, just drag and drop it onto the timeline. When you place the effect on the timeline, make sure you position it exactly where you want the shake to appear. For example, you might want the effect to happen during a transition, a beat drop, an action moment, or a dramatic reveal. You can extend or shorten the effect duration by adjusting it in the timeline, so it lines up perfectly with the part of the video you want to emphasize. This is a great way to make the effect feel natural instead of random. After applying the effect, play back your clip and check how it looks. If the shake feels too strong, too long, or not timed correctly, you can always move it or adjust it until it matches your video style. The goal is to make the movement enhance the content, not distract from it. A well-timed camera shake can make even a simple clip feel much more professional and exciting. And that's how you add a camera shake effect in CapCut. It's fast, simple, and perfect for giving your edits more energy and style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.